What's going on, Moose? How you doing, Stephanie? Manifesting Bengals. All right. So here's our owners list. This is our 2020 plates and patches hobby break. This is our owners list right here. So we do have 2 teams for sale. We have Houston for 10, and we have the Rams for 10, or we can do both for 15. How you doing, Adam? What's going on, Brian? Here's our sealed box of plates and patches. I'll take both. Okay. You are already in the break. Let me see. Brian D. Yeah, you have the Cowboys. Okay, do you need the PayPal? Need the link? Why am I so nervous? What's going on, Dustin? Alright, Brian. Okay, I'm gonna send it right now.
You didn't break nothing yet?
No, I'm sending the link. I saw both the teams on there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. There's the link. Let me know when that goes through, Brian. I'll start. How you doing, my healthy image? Vikings. Hopefully I can get you something from the Vikings. Okay. Alright, Brian. Hey, can you refresh it? Justin? Yeah, okay. You're good. Okay, thanks. Alright, guys. Get started. Brian, your payment went through. Real quick. Updated owners list. I'm doing pretty good today. Hopefully you can pull something fire. Thanks for asking. Alright. Good luck to everybody. Alright, so starting off, got a Denzel Mims 75. Landon Collins to 60. Got a Maryland Davidson 1/1 patch. Got a black plate. Got a AJ Dillon patch to 25, on 7/25. Got a Landon Collins. And our auto is going to be a Jeudy jersey patch. And that one's going to be the 99. 34/99. Alright, so going over the recap, starting off with a Jeudy jersey auto patch. Got a Denzel Mims 275. Got a Maryland Davidson Atlanta 1/1 black plate patch. Got a AJ Dillon big jersey patch, full coverage. That one's to 25. That one's 7/25. And then a Landon Collins 6/60. Alright, that's going to do it for this break. We'll be back very shortly with Inception. Anyone that is not tuning into the next break, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. See you guys in a little bit.